Hello, friends, and my dear students. So now in today's program, I'll let you know how to print the summation of all the even numbers between a given range. For example, the user has entered a range like 1 to 100, let us suppose. So between 1 to 100, you just want the summation of all the even numbers would be printed on the screen. So for that purpose, what do you need to do? So first of all, you just open the code block window. Do open one new file, an empty file. Okay, all right. After that, you just write your program with hash include stdio.h. And now save your file first. Save your file with, or like you could say, even underscore of all underscore numbers range.c. Okay, all right. Now just do continue program like your void main, or you could say int main. I could write int main as well, but if I'm writing int main, then what I need to do, I need to return the value at last, return 0, like this. After that, like what I need to do is I need to declare the variables. So int I, comma, n, comma, like sum equals to 0 because I want the summation now of all the numbers. So that is why I'm taking sum equals to 0. After that, you just take the range from the user. Printf, enter the upper limit or enter the range. Enter the range. All right. So what is the range? So that I could print the summation of all the even numbers between that range. All right. So after that, you just take the value from the user in case of a scanf, and the scanf syntax says like always use inverted commas. After that, you need to put the format specifier. So because I have taken int, so that is why I need to put %d. After that, comma would become over here. Then where you need to store, so you need to give address in ampersand, and after that the number where you wants to store. So let us suppose in n I want to store. All right. After that, terminate your line with the help of semicolon. Then the for loop would be started like for I equals to 2. Why from 2? Because we want the summation of all the even numbers now, that is why. But if I wants to print the summation of all the odd numbers, then like this would be started from 1. Okay, so you just do practice of it, and it would run till I is less than equals to the range, and the range is given in n. That is why I put it n over here. Means a looping would repeat it till less than equals to the upper limit which the user has given. After that, I plus equals to 2. What is the meaning of it? Like just do increase the value by 2, 2, right? So that is why. Because we want the summation of all the even numbers. No? That is why. Then the curly braces would come. Then sum equals to sum plus I. Okay. So the sum would be printed, the complete sum would be printed till our for loop would be repeated. After getting the complete sum, our compiler would come in the printf function, and it would print like the sum of all the even numbers between the given range is, yeah, or you could write sum of all the even numbers between 1 to, and you just give percentage d. You could print the range now equals to percentage d. Why? Because you want to print on the screen. Okay, this is actually the number. For example, n, right? 1 to n is what? Like the total sum. All right. After that, print the same. Like you just apply the semicolon. All right. After that, return 0. Okay, now our program is ready. Now just save it and run it. We just build it. So what I'll get, enter the range. So let us suppose I'm entering 100. So the sum of all the numbers, even numbers from 1 to 100 is 2550. Okay, so just like that, what you could do, you could find the summation of all the other range as well. Okay, all right. So everyone do practice of it, and if you would find any kind of problem, so please do comment in the below comment box. I'll try to solve your problem. Okay, so everyone, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone. Thank you so much.